what brings you guys here today?
We wanted to come to a fair.
And I think people are very excited to get out and about and see and visit their friends and family out in public again.
How long have you guys been coming to the fair?
23 years.
23 years. And what keeps bringing you back?
I think it's because it's small enough and there's a lot of different things that we can see that's not like close to our home.
They are something.
People have never been to an agricultural fair. They just need to come out and see what it's all about. You're not just the livestock, but you have the youth building, but it's for everybody.
Okay.
Everybody should just come and enjoy the fair.
All right, ladies, where are you from?
Fond du Lac.
And what brings you down to Beaver Dam tonight?
The dairy show and the futurities tomorrow, and then tonight we're going to listen to FM Rodeo.
Well, we grew up showing here, so 4-H kids, FFA, so I'm glad it's back and going again, so yeah.
What's your favorite part about the Dutch County Fair?
All the youth exhibitors and seeing how their future can grow from what they take into the fair.
What kind of cow is it?
It's a Holstein.
And what did you bring the cow here for this year?
Just to show her in the junior show.
How'd you do? Did you go already?
Yeah, I got second.
Did you know that pigs don't sweat? They don't sweat at all, so the reason why how you keep them cool at fairs is you get fans and you spray them with water to keep them nice and cool. Well, pigs love their bellies scratched, actually. So if your pig really trusts you, they'll lay on their stomach for you to pet them. They absolutely love it. It's one of their favorite things to do, yeah.